Hi, welcome to another tutorial video. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a new category in Inventora. If you go to your materials page or your products page, you're going to see a column that is dedicated for the categories. So when you add a new material and you start adding all the details, you will have a section that says category. So you're going to see there all the categories that you already have, or you can create a new one by just typing the name of the category that you want to add, and automatically the system allows you to create a new category. After you add the category, you're going to see on the left sidebar that the category is already added, and you're going to be able to see all the materials that are added in that specific category. If you want to add a new product category, the process is the same. You can add a new product, start adding all the details, and when you go to the category section, you can add the name of the new category, and once you click save, you're going to see the category added on the left sidebar. Now, if you don't want to add a new product but you want to add a new category, you can just click on an existing product or material, click on edit details, and do the same process, and once you click save, you're going to see the category added as well. So this is how you can add a new category in Inventora.